Hello YouTube, I hope everybody's doing fine, and today I will show you the smallest, cutest gaming console with 4 games. The code is by H.E.D.S. As I was gonna say expressive, but by H.E.D.S. And I wanted to show something else. On my single digit clock I did add hourly and half hourly alerts, and you see it, the LEDs come on and it beeps twice, once on the 30-minute alert, I'm sorry, half hourly alerts, and it beeps twice on hourly alerts. So without further ado, the reason I'm making this video is this little guy. It is the version 2 of my initial OLEDiCADE, and this one is slightly smaller, and I do need a light here. Okay, so this is my initial version, the first version, and I have shrunk it down a little bit, not by much but enough. And I can turn this on as well. This one has actually a white OLED, and this one, since the PCB isn't blue, the reason it's my new favorite PCB color. I did choose blue because the PCB of the OLED display is blue as well, so it blends in, and then I figured why not use a blue OLED display instead of a white one. So anyway, this is the new version. It has the same features. The only addition is I put a transistor for the speaker, so the speaker is now louder, as you can hear. Otherwise it is the same. It has the 4 games: Pac-Man, Flappy Bird, Breakout and Octopus, and my favorite is of course Pac-Man, and everybody knows how to play that. Anyway, yes, the new, that did not beep away. The new feature of course here is the acrylic case, and it is the size of a thumb. I have very small hands, so it is, well, let me put it this way, it is the size of a thumb almost. So this will be my new version. I will give away this version, as I said in my previous video with my giveaway. If you want to participate, you have 1 week left till the 22nd, and you will have to subscribe to my channel and or become a Patreon to be eligible to be in the drawing. So anyway, this is my new OLEDiCADE version 2.0, and I am also working, since I have found my new love for these LED matrices, well, I'm saying it wrong, bear with me. I did make a new gear indicator, and this is for automatic version, which shows D and then goes up to, well, my car has 5 gears, so that's what I use for this one. And I don't know how many, if I'm gonna use my previous PCB with this, or if I should design a new PCB specifically for the pinout of these modules that you can buy, and I'm not sure yet. If you're interested, please let me know. This is working on CAN bus on the OBD port of your car 2008 and later. Some cars, as mine, is a 2006 and it still works, so the CAN bus protocol did make it to some earlier year cars as well. And this one you plug in into your OBD port and then it will show you your gear that you're driving in. Especially useful for automatic transmissions where you normally don't know which gear it is in. And I wanted to have this with the LED matrix display. So if you're interested in it, please let me know. I will then decide if I should make a new PCB or just use my what did I call this, the CAN gauge microboard, and just solder the wires to the pins and make a small enclosure for it to use it. If I get interest, I will probably just make a new PCB, which will make it faster for me to produce instead of soldering wires and whatnot. And I might probably just add, this one doesn't have any onboard USB chip, and I normally use the USB adapters to upload code, but on this one I will then of course upgrade this to Type-C as well, and put the onboard USB adapter on here so I can just upload code to it easily. And since I'm using USB Type-C on all my newer boards, it will be easier to plug in for me in the car, as I have 3 gauges already in there. So anyway, this was it actually, nothing major. And if you're interested or if you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the description. And I talk to you on the next one. Take care everybody and have a great week. It's Sunday night, almost Monday. Well, it is Monday in my time zone, although early in the morning. So take care everybody, stay safe,